Have you ever wondered how your writing skills can earn you money? In a world brimming with content, the pen, or perhaps the keyboard, is mightier than you might think. Today, we explore the various avenues through which words can turn into wages. First off, consider the realm of blogging. This isn't just an online diary anymore. It's a dynamic platform where you can share insights, review products, or provide tutorials. By integrating affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions for promoting other people's products, or by placing ads on your site, your blog can become a lucrative endeavor. The key here is consistency and engaging content that draws readers back to your site. Next, there's the world of freelance writing. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow writers to connect with businesses that need everything from website copy to press releases written. What's fantastic about freelance writing is the flexibility. You choose your projects and your hours, making it ideal for anyone looking to supplement their income or even make a full-time living. Scene script. Don't overlook the potential of writing ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular area or a compelling story to tell, why not write an ebook? Platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing let you publish your work and reach millions of readers globally. The best part? You earn royalties, a percentage of the sales, and retain control over your work. Content agencies are another route. These companies are constantly on the hunt for skilled writers to create content for their clients. Working for an agency can provide a more stable income and a variety of writing tasks, which is excellent for those who thrive on diversity in their work. Lastly, consider the art of script writing for videos. With the surge in video content online, there's a high demand for those who can write compelling scripts for educational videos, advertisements, or entertainment content. Understanding the nuances of visual storytelling can set you apart in this field. In summary, whether through blogging, freelancing, crafting ebooks, joining content agencies, or script writing, your writing can indeed become a valuable asset. Each method offers unique benefits and opportunities for income. So take your passion for words and turn it into profit. After all, every word you write could be a step towards your next paycheck.